Today I am going to show you a great wig, and it's out now in a new color that's been around, but it's now in tab. This is Wille. It's tab. It's one of their best sellers, and it's now in platinum blonde rooted. And I love the color. If you know, I have worn Chat, and I'll put that picture here. Love Chat in the platinum blonde rooted, and I know I'm gonna love tab too. I haven't even put it on yet. It's out of the box. I just took the tab off. This is from their Perucci collection. Now I have some shadow behind me because I wanted to be in the window. Of course, we know it's been snowing and icy out, so I'm in the window so that you could see the color, what it looks like with sunlight on it. And this is called tab and platinum blonde rooted. So let's get it on, and I'm gonna cover up this shiny bio hair. Even silver bio hair is shining if it's healthy. And yeah, of course, you know, when a wig is shiny, when I say, oh, we got to put dry shampoo and it looks fake. Well, I don't always believe that. I know there's some that do kind of look fake, and I use dry shampoo on most all of my wigs, especially my silver grays and blondes, because they just reflect more. They're shiny curves reflect more. Dark absorbs color, or light. So here we go. Let's put this on. Before we get her on, I wanted to show you that it has like a little crown area, mono crown there, so that it just kind of falls naturally. It also has a from up here, like temple to temple across your forehead. There you have some lace, right? Mono lace, a hairline. So that way you can, you know, because I like to a lot of times sweep it back off and kind of make it fun. So actually it's kind of going ear tap to ear tap, but it's mini. It's only about this long, and sorry about that, ear tap to ear tap. There we can get a better look at it. Here to here, but a mini lace front. And the rest of it is this wefting. And you can see how tight that wefting is. And I've learned that the reason that happens is because then they don't have to use as much permatease, and it's just going to give it a fluffier style and cut to it. So I really like that. They did that on the Chat. Really like that. It has your velvet ear tabs. And I always love that they sew hair on the inside of the tab, so when it's coming out, it looks more natural. And open wefting and extended nape. So let's get her on. First thing we do, get it out of the box, shake it. Give it a good shake, waking up those fibers. This isn't a wig that you can smooth it down, but let's get some volume first. Let's have some fun with this. Dip your head in, put your head in, and then lift the tabs and pull those down in place. Now, their wigs are petite, fit more petite average. So I love that, because if you're petite average and you wear glasses like I do, when their tabs come down right at the top of the arms of the frame here, I like that. Because you wear sunglasses, you don't have to be wearing reading glasses or vision glasses, right? So already, and that was just shaking it. I'm really loving it. And I love the color. Look at that. Because the rooting I love the color of rooting that they use with this platinum blonde. It's really beautiful. It's, you know, because I am silver, you saw my silver bio hair. So I like to kind of I love colors like this, because this one I found is just very neutral. And in neutral, I mean, I think it goes with a lot of different skin tones, because of the fact that it has the platinum silver, the blonde, the brownish, the warm rooting. So I really think that this is cute. You know, I love a good pixie. I do. And I love the way that this already out of the box. See what I'm talking about here? How you still can have such a great hairline. So, you know, you can put your fingers in it. See how easily that, just with my fingers, that molded back off my face. Love it. Love pulling these bits of pieces down here for some little sideburn things coming down. But because that lace goes all the way over, so you can really get it away from your face. And sometimes it's just a look that I really like, right? That you can kind of get that look away from you. And then when you want it down, just use your fingers, right? You don't really have to use anything else with this. You can go really trendy to push it up like that, all on top. If you want some, if you're that really want it to look trendy and high fashion, that would be a really great look. I just love it. I don't know, do I love chat or do I like tab more? I don't know. I think, am I gonna have to decide now? I don't know. We'll have to see which one is my favorite, chat or tab. But let's take a look at the sides and the back on this, okay? Side. I think it hugs the neck. This nape right here just hugs it just right. And because it's got that crown, I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna try to bend down so you can see it, but right there is that mono crown. So I can't see it, you do, but that's to give it that illusion that it's real. So it falls the way your normal hair would have a point that it falls, right? So I love that. I love the way that all this close wefting in here can get you the volume. It does have some permatease in it, and you can get volume, but I think this is adorable. Ellen Wille, I really like this. I have a tab from a couple of years ago, I think. I'll have to show that one if I could get the picture or link the other video down below. So now this is coming in. They have new colors and tab. I'll leave a link so that you can click on it, be down in the details, the ... more below the video. I'll also product tag it, so you can just click right there in the beginning of the video. Just hit that, you'll see it pop up, hit it, go over there, take a look at it. The details, it's synthetic, so it means it's gonna keep this style. Rain, snow, sleet, or hail is gonna keep this style, and doesn't need heat applied to it. Of course, short wigs don't, but can't you really see this dressed up? Beautiful rhinestone earrings hanging down, maybe your Valentine evening out. I think it's really great and adorable. Check it out. I'll leave the link down below. And be sure, as always, like the video. Just like the video. You don't even have to subscribe. I love you to subscribe, but liking a video, giving them a thumbs up, really helps me get seen by more of you out there. People that are wanting wig tutorials, want to see wigs. And I know some of y'all just think I talk too much. I know, but I'm not. This is YouTube, and I like to share tricks and tips and how-tos and whys and therefores in my videos. So I'm not a quick reviewer unless I do a short, quick 60 seconds over on Instagram, a quick minute tutorial, a quick minute. So if you want fast, you can look at the shorts or look at those. If you're coming on my YouTube long form videos, I'm here to talk with you. I'm here to share with you and give you tips and tricks and help those that are beginners starting out and want to know why and what and therefore. So therefore, give me a thumbs up and a like. I'd really appreciate it.